Hello students, right now I am going to discuss a new chapter from banking and insurance. This is unit 3 and the name of the chapter is utility services of banking. In this chapter I am going to discuss about the debit card and credit card, automated teller machines, core banking, standing instructions, and some questions and with answers. Okay, so the first topic is credit card and debit card. Basically in bank we see that debit card and credit card as a services. So here it is written, bank is a financial institution that acts as an intermediary that accepts deposits and channels those deposits into lending activities, either directly by lending. Here lending means what? Here lending means providing loan or giving money by lending to the needy borrowers. Here borrower means what? Who borrow the money from bank, who collect the money from bank, or indirectly by investing in securities. Thus a bank intermediates between customers who have capital surpluses and customers who have capital deficit. Remember, what is the meaning of the word capital surpluses? I repeat, thus a bank intermediates between customers who have capital surpluses. Capital surpluses means what? Those who have money in bank more than nominal money. Means, for example, you have 1000 rupees, but you need only 500 rupees for surviving in this state. So in that case, that extra 500 rupees your surpluses, and that surpluses will be deposited in bank. Okay, so that 500 extra money from you will be converted and provide loan to another person who has deficit, means who need 500 rupees from that bank. So bank do a intermediary action. You, bank, and the person who need money. Your extra money, that is rupees 500, goes what? Goes where? Goes in bank, and bank provide that 500 extra money to that person as a loan. So this is thus the bank intermediates between customers who have capital surplus and customers who have capital deposit. Okay, bank offer many more other services apart from their basic services, some which are explained here. First one is credit card. Now what is the meaning of that word credit card? Credit means what? Credit means this is one kind of headache. How? A credit card is a plastic card with magnetic strip issued by a bank or a finance company, giving the holder an option to borrow funds, usually at a point of sale. At a point of sale means what? When you go in Big Bazaar, in that time, if you purchase something and you have does not sufficient money in your wallet, in that case you have to provide that digital card or credit card to that Big Bazaar, and Big Bazaar will swipe it and collect that money from your credit card. So that time of sale is called a point of sale. So the issuer creates a revolving credit amount or a line of credit in the name of holder to enable the holder to make credit purchases or withdraw cash. So credit card issuer charge interest for payment delayed beyond the dates. Okay, so this is very important thing, and interest usually begins after the due date payment. Borrowing limit as per the set according to individuals and credit rating. Credit cards have a higher interest rate, that is 34% to 36% per year. So this is very important thing. So then most customer loans or line of credit card has a higher interest rate. Okay, so this is the example of credit card. Okay, here this is what, this is a country and company. That thing is a country's name and the company. Credit card type, this is credit card type. Then partners, partner card or secondary card, company card. Now here it is a written, the logo, MasterCard. This is the logo of MasterCard, and this is the hologram of that MasterCard. So this is nothing but a credit card, and how it is look like written here. Okay, you remember one thing, credit card provide you some facility provided by the bank, and also collect highest rate of interest from you. Here written here 34 to 36% per year. This is highest, more than if you collect loan from that bank. In that case, whatever you provide that interest to the bank, that credit card interest is more than that type of interest, that type of loan interest. Okay, now here it is written the platinum card. Okay, what the number means, platinum, this number, system number, bank number, account number and check digit. Okay, this is not very important things. The important thing is that debit card. A debit card deducts money directly from your customer bank account to pay for the purchase made by him. Debit card eliminates the need to carry cash or physical check to the make purchases. In additional, debit card offer convenience of credit card and the same customers protections when they are issued by major payment processor like Visa or MasterCard. Unlike credit cards, they do not allow the users to go into debt except perhaps small negative balances that might be incurred if the account holder has signed up for an overdraft. However, debit cards usually have daily purchase limit, thus it may not be possible to make large purchases with a debit card or a single day. Here is the 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what it means? One is issuing bank logo. Okay, how the debit card look like? One is issuing bank logo. 2 number is EMB chip. Here optional and may depend on issuing institutions or bank. And the third one is hologram. How the hologram look like? In some cards it's located at a back, specially in most MasterCard. And the fourth one is card number. Okay, that card number may be in length but most 16 digits with unique last 4 digits. Okay, however, in a dinner cases such as Discover, Dinner Club, Union Pay, American Express, it has a unique 15 digit card number. Okay, so you have to remember that thing whenever you see any kinds of debit card. So first of all you have to remember that thing. how the debit card look like. I think everyone, every father and mother have a debit card in his money bag or in his bank. Okay, so you should remember that thing. Check the debit card. Now in the last corner, here it is written 5 number is card brand logo, 6 number is expiration date, here 6 number expiration date, and cardholder name 7 number, Mr. AB person, for example. So this is the demo of that debit card. Now in the back side of the debit card, you see an example of the reverse side of the typical debit card. Here it is written a magnetic strip, next signature strip panel, next card security code. If you see carefully, debit card also allow instant withdrawal of cash, acting as the ATM card for withdrawing cash. Merchants may also offer cashback facilities to customers, where a customer can withdraw cash along with their purchases. So the uses of the debit card is like credit card by swiping the same at point of sale. Here, what is the meaning of the word point of sale? I already discussed that thing. If you go to the Big Bazaar and purchase something and you pay something by that card, the time of that payment and that thing is called a point of sale. Now the difference between debit card and credit card. Sir, what is the difference? If you see the credit card borrows money from a bank or a financial institutions. Here financial institutions means what? Not a bank but like a bank. Okay. Need not connected to any bank account, pay additional interest drawn on the amount borrowed, and the credit line will be there. Next, debit card. Funds are debited to money that are have a bank account, needs a bank account, no interest is to be paid, and equals your account balance. If you see in debit card and credit card, the basic difference is, for example, you have 1000 rupees in your bank, and in debit card you have 1000 rupees in your bank. Credit card gives you a facility to collect money and to spend your money more than 1000 on some time, but debit card always provide you that the spending should be within 1000. Okay. In credit card you have to pay high number of interest. In credit card you have to pay highest interest to bank. In debit card you have to not pay that type of interest to bank, but you have to pay some expenses, you have to pay some yearly requirement to bank, but that not like credit card. So you have to remember that thing. If you see in debit card, funds are debited to money that are that you have in your bank account. So whatever I told you, there 1000 rupees in your bank account, you have to spend within 1000 rupees. Needs a bank account, yes, but in credit card no need not to be connected with the bank account. No interest is to be paid, but some expenses would be paid right now in India, but here pay additional interest. Okay. Next, equals your account balance limit, means you have to pay 1000 rupees, you have to spend 1000 rupees. Okay. In next class I will discuss automated teller machine. So today I am going to discuss what I already discussed, utility services. This is the new chapter, and I discuss credit card, I discuss the debit card. Now I will discuss what is the difference between debit card and credit card. In our next class I am discussing about automatic teller machine. Okay, So bye for today.